Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in household essentials. Today, we're talking about the best Harpic Power Plus, a game-changing toilet cleaner that has been transforming the way people clean their bathrooms. If you're tired of scrubbing for hours and not getting the results you want, then this powerful cleaner might just be the solution you need. Harpic Power Plus Original comes in a 500 ml bottle and is designed for maximum efficiency when it comes to tackling tough stains. The unique formula not only helps clean but also keeps your toilet smelling fresh. It's perfect for eliminating odors, getting rid of stubborn stains, and disinfecting your toilet bowl all in one go. This product has been crafted to fight even the most persistent stains, like those caused by hard water, limescale, and rust. Its thick liquid formula clings to the toilet bowl, ensuring that every part of the surface is covered and thoroughly cleaned. That means no more worrying about missed spots or the buildup of grime that can be so difficult to get rid of. When it comes to usage, Harpic Power Plus is incredibly easy to apply. Just apply it to the inside of the toilet bowl, focusing on the stains, and allow it to sit for a few minutes. After that, simply scrub with a toilet brush and flush for a sparkling clean finish. It's a quick and effective way to keep your bathroom looking fresh and hygienic without spending too much time on cleaning. One of the things that make this product stand out is the long-lasting freshness it provides. It leaves behind a fresh and clean scent that lingers for hours, making sure your bathroom stays smelling pleasant after every flush. Plus, the disinfecting properties of Harpic Power Plus help kill bacteria and germs, providing you with a clean and safe environment. Whether you're dealing with tough stains, hard water deposits, or just want to maintain a fresh-smelling toilet, this product covers it all. And for those who are worried about using a harsh cleaner, the formula is tough on stains but gentle on your toilet's surface, ensuring that it won't damage the porcelain. Harpic Power Plus Original is also a great value. At 500 ml, the bottle lasts a decent amount of time and delivers great results with each use. Plus, it's available in most stores and online, so you can easily stock up and keep your bathroom in top shape all year long. So if you're looking for an easy-to-use, powerful toilet cleaner that does the job and leaves your toilet sparkling clean, Harpic Power Plus Original is definitely worth considering. It's reliable, effective, and will save you time and effort, all while keeping your bathroom fresh and sanitary. Thanks for watching this review on the best Harpic Power Plus. Make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of household products that make your life easier.